In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Helpdesk departments and tiers. So let's navigate over to our Helpdesk by clicking on Helpdesk over here on the left-hand side. And then we're going to go to Setup. And from here, we're going to start creating our departments. So I'm skipping over channels for now. I am going to come back to that in a future video, but I'm going to go straight to my departments. I want to create some departments and tiers. So to create a new department, I'm going to simply add my first department, and you're going to give it a name. This is going to be general, sales, technical, whatever is relevant to your business and the user support needed within your system. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is just general, and then I can go ahead and select my agents. So you could go ahead and only give the general tickets to one of your agents, or you can select whichever ones you want. I'm going to go ahead and select all of them, Gil, Jeev, and Zark, and then I'm going to select tiers. So tiers are going to help me escalate and de-escalate my tickets as necessary. So again, if you hover over the tooltip over there, it's going to tell you that you can organize agents into tiers to enable ticket escalation and de-escalation. Agents can only see tickets assigned to their tier or below. So for example, if Gil is tier 3, he'll be able to see Jeev and Zark's tier 1 and tier 2 tickets. But if Zark is on tier 1, he won't be able to see any tier 2 or tier 3. I'm going to get back to that, so let's not overcomplicate this, you will see. So I'm going to go ahead and enable tiers, and I want to make it 3 tiers because I've got 3 agents. So again, like I said here, you can see all of our agents are currently on tier 1, but I want to move them around a little bit. So I want to move Jeev to tier 2, and I want to move Gil to tier 3. So now I've got 3 tiers of support agents, and Zark will be able to escalate his tickets to Jeev. Jeev will be able to escalate his tickets to Gil. Gil can de-escalate tickets. Gil can also see all of the tickets. Jeev can only see tier 2 and tier 1 tickets, and Zark can only see tier 1 tickets. So that is how tiers work. Then we have our ticket types, and you can go ahead and create a ticket type, which is going to group those tickets within departments. So you can go ahead and create a new ticket type, and you could add a different type of ticket type, and you could say it's a password reset, software license. You can choose the priority. So let's go ahead and say that this ticket type is a basic password reset, and you want it to be a normal priority, and you can go ahead and hit save. So that's then going to automatically set this to a normal priority. And then you can choose your form type. So it's currently set to default, and I am going to show you how to create custom form types for different ticket types and different departments. So you'll be able to set those up uniquely for each different kind of ticket being submitted. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a future video, but for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. Okay, so then you can see that you have created that department type. You've got your general department type. You can see which agents are in there, the ticket type that's been associated with this general department, and the form type being used. And of course, if you need to edit anything about this, you can simply click on it and you can edit all of the information that we just added. So that is how you can create departments and tiers within your help desk. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create those custom forms and link them to their dedicated departments. I'll see you there.